I'm going to show you how to put this. So when you pick that up, you make sure you screw it. See that? Oh, it's already coming out by itself. Hello my king and queens, welcome back to the Bumpers channel. Hit the subscribe button and let's get started. Let's talk about preseed. Preseed. It says preseed, personal lubricant, fertility friendly for use when trying to get pregnant, clinically shown to be fertility friendly, help support sperm quality. It mimics your own fertile fluid, and it's from First Response. So it actually came with 9 applicators. I'm going to show you what that looks like. In case you're wondering, those are the ingredients. You can pause the video and really look, see if you're allergic or something. And it says the applicators are for single use only. So this is how the magic is supposed to happen with the sperms. All right, let's start talking. All right, so those are the information that came, that are written on the pack. The information that are written on the pack. I'm gonna bring it out so we see what it looks like. So this is it. It's on a about 1.5 ounce 40-gram tube. I mean it's a lot, but this ranges from, I recently found out they're selling it at Walmart because I had gotten mine from Walgreens for like $24? No, from Target. I think for like $24 or so. So I'm really glad to see that they sell them at Walmart for about $19 something, of course, plus tax. The thing is, I never had to use, with my 2 kids, I didn't even know what this is. But I mean, it's good to know because anything to help the sperm, it really works like they said. It's actually not a bad idea. These are the applicators it came in with. I already opened one. So this is it. This is what they look like. And it's about 9 of them. And of course, that's the body. Now with this, it says to use these applicators just one time. Do not reuse it. I don't know how this is supposed to be okay. Like 9 of this, I don't know. For some people, I don't think it's really gonna be enough. And for some people, I guess it'll be okay. But I don't really think it's gonna be enough, depending on how often you put this, like during the fertile period. Or I would say you can use any other lube, like I use KY and all that stuff in my non-fertile period. That is not harmful to the sperm. But this is very highly recommended that week if you're using the any kind of ovulation kit, any kind of calculation calendar method to track your ovulation period. You can actually, when you get into that week, let's say I'm going to ovulate Thursday, Wednesday, Friday, a week before then, it's really our advice to start using either this or the other one. What did they call that one? I forgot. The other kind of fertility, like just make your research. Like this video is not sponsored, so I'm just giving my honest review on this. So all right, during the fertility week, during the ovulation week, then you can use this and put in the applicator and then put it inside your V area. You know what I'm talking about. Put it inside your V area for like 15 minutes. Now, the first time I started using it, who has time to put that stuff and sit down and wait? Nobody. I don't know. It depends on how, if you're really trying to conceive and you really needed this, I guess extra 10 minutes. I don't really wait up to 15 minutes, but I mean, it's good to follow the instructions for at least 15 minutes. Now, I'm going to show you how to put this. So when you pick that up, you make sure you screw it. See that? Oh, it's already coming out by itself or not. So when you push it, those are the fluids. Now, I don't use the whole thing because this thing is expensive. I don't want it finishing before my 1 week period elapsed. And I think, let me see if they don't really have any specific measurement, I would say. So 1 tube of lubricant, 9 disposable. They didn't really say, you know, put so amount on it. So I normally use at least half of it. Then you open it, close this up immediately. I always make sure I sanitize my hand before anything that's going in there. Sanitize my hands, or at least wash it. So that is what it looks like. Make sure you expel all the air out. But of course, like I said, I always like mine to be half so that this can last me a lot longer, you know. And then you open up, you know, it's already dripping out. So when you open up and, you know, you put it, and of course, you know, try to, like, if you can, if it's possible, try to trace where your cervix is. Put it all the way as close as possible to your cervix, and of course you push it. Let me see, where can I pour this? Or let's say you push it, and this is how much it rubs on that area. So I guess this one is a waste now. I didn't mean to waste it, guys, but I needed to show you what it really looks like. Now, some women don't have enough cervical mucus. Some women do not have, I wouldn't say, depends on what you eat. I wouldn't say cervical mucus might be harmful to the sperm, but with this is what it feels like. Almost want to mimic your ovulation cervical mucus. Let me put my hair here so yeah, that is why it's recommended. And I feel like when I put it about 10 minutes into it, I feel like, I mean, it's supposed to, like, within those 15 minutes you're waiting, it's supposed to mimic your body temperature, you know, like you don't just put it and go in. It's supposed to act like your own, you know, mixed with other fluids and get the sperms very excited. So that can help the sperm swim faster and also last longer versus just dying off. Now, like I said, I have 2 kids and I didn't even know what this is, but it's good to know because I started using it. I mean, if I'm going to try for my 3rd baby, I really want to try this. Like I said, no knowledge is wasted. Yeah. But anyway, guys, that's just what I wanted to show you what it looks like. And then I'm going to throw this away even if I don't really use it because I'm very, very careful with whatever I put in there. So that's what actually looks like. Then make sure you throw this away, guys. And I know it's gonna be like hard for some people who wants to use it. Now, this is not from me. I would say if I must reuse this, if I must, what I want to do is spray some Lysol on it, use my hand sanitizer, wash it very well, and let it air dry. That's if I must, but I wouldn't. But if I must, or wash my hands very well, put more than enough lubes, more than enough, and at least try to put it in as far as you can. You can always trust your fingers if you wash and make sure you are staying clean. Now, this depends on you guys what you want to do. So I am not Dr. Google or a real doctor, but thank you so much, guys. Yeah, this is really nice. I'm really glad they have a lot because some people have low sperm count. Some people like their sperm morphology. Some men's sperm morphology, it's, you know, it's not really, it's like it's there's a problem with it. Let's say the sperm morphology is not what the regular people's sperm, like the head, the neck, the shape, and all that stuff might be different from the normal sperm morphology. So having stuff like this to really help that sperm swim as fast as it could is really good, because with other lubricant, according to them, it really impedes the sperms. It's like, hey, where are you going to? I'm not going anywhere. I mean, you know, you can't pass and all that, and the sperms have to struggle to pass, you know, to pass through. But with this, it's supposed to help them, like boost their motility, boost the whole swimming process. So if it's what it says it is, that would be nice. Now, I can use it and post a success story, but then I had 2 kids without it, so I wouldn't know if it's my body doing its thing or if it's the preseed lubricant. Now, thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and stay tuned, because I have so many more ovulation test videos and tips and all that stuff. And have a beautiful day. See you in our next video. Bye.